New buy bonus game out, guys. I'm so excited to play. We're gonna start with $100, which is a $1 bet buy bonus right now for the easy mode, and work our way up to hardcore. Let's start. I will leave where to play this down below, and we'll see if we can make money. We got 9 spins to go through, or 9 free games rather. Let's keep running. We gotta clear the road here, guys. This is the name of the game. We just did it perfect. Awesome. We have to hit 100x to break even, and then anything above that is profit. Okay, can we make it happen and make a nice strategy video for everybody that's watching this? I hope so. So let's keep it going and let's keep it pushing. 6 games to go. We still need to work our way up because we'll touch medium, guys, and we'll do hard, and then we'll try hardcore. So we're trying everything once, and then we're gonna see if we can make money at the end of it. We started at about 16 something, I believe. Again, we need to do well here. Let's break even. Let's do it. Come on. Oh my god, yes, we hit it one more time. I'm so happy about that. Let's go. Look, guys, I have 1,000 people playing this right now, which is insane. Oh my god, let's keep going. Still, we got 2 games left. We can still hit that 23x egg again. I believe in it. Come on, run to the egg. One more time for the egg then. I'm only gonna ask the egg for, just hit me one more time in general. Let's go. Easy mode is, oh, I thought I got it. I thought I freaking got it. Okay, we lost 10 bucks, but not too bad. Moving on to round 2, which is medium, guys. Let's buy that bonus. I have to hit medium though. Buy the bonus, 7 games, so it goes down by 2. Volatility is a little bit insane, but we'll see if we can make some money. Again, guys, if you want to play this specific version, I will leave it linked down below. But look at that 100x I almost had on medium mode, guys. Come on. 5 games to go. Let's go. Clear it, clear it, clear it. We need to be able to step up our game here. Let's go. Move it. I don't like this. See, this is not something I appreciate. 50x, I need more than that. We need triple that, actually. Come on, keep it pushing. More and more. Oh my god, 60 is not good. Last one to go. Can we get somewhere close to 100? Nope. Okay, fine. If you want to make me lose money today, that's your prerogative. But we're going to keep going and go hard with hard. Buy bonus now goes from 7 to 5. Still costs $100, guys. That's the basis cost for everything right now. Let's keep it pushing. It's going to be way more simpler like this. Oh, no. Come on. We're trying to see if we can make profit in this video. Thank you. Let's go, guys. We just made profit. Let's fucking go 200x on that, baby. Like I said, we started at about 1600-ish. Oh, my God. What a beautiful run. We made it. Bang. Right there. 278, baby. We're in well over profit now. I think above $200. We have one more $100 to spend, which is hardcore. But they only give you guys 3 games. So let's see if we can make money with this one right here, baby. Let's go. Come on. The new bonus buy game. Let's go. 2 games left. This is going to be quick, isn't it? Oh, okay. 43. At least keep it close to 100. We'll take it. We'll take it. Fine. We're still left with profit, which I'm happy about. Okay. I'm really happy about that. $100+ in profit. Thank you guys for watching. I will leave where to play down below like normal, and I'll see you in the next video.